In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see GoPro order history. To get started, open your web browser and go to the GoPro website. Once the site loads, sign in to your GoPro account using the same email address you used when placing your order. This is important because your order history is tied to the account and email used at checkout. If you have more than one email address, make sure you choose the correct one so you can access the right purchase records. After you're signed in, look for the account icon, usually located near the top of the page. Click on it to open your account options. From there, select Order History or My Orders, depending on how it appears on your screen. GoPro may label this section slightly differently, but both options are meant to take you to the same place: a list of your previous purchases. Once you're in the order section, browse through the list of your past orders. This page is where you can quickly review what you've bought and locate a specific purchase if you need more information. If you want to see full details for a particular order, click on that order. Inside the order details page, you'll typically be able to view useful information such as the order number, the products you purchased, and the current order status. You may also see shipping information, a tracking number if one is available, and access to an invoice or receipt. This can be especially helpful if you're checking delivery progress, confirming what was included in your purchase, or looking for documentation for returns, support, or expense records. If you placed your order as a guest instead of creating or using a GoPro account, the process is a little different. In that case, go to the GoPro order status page. On that page, enter your order number along with the email address used for the purchase, then click Track Order or View Order to pull up your order details. This guest option is useful if you checked out without signing in, but you'll need to have the correct order number and purchase email ready. If the information doesn't match exactly, the order may not appear, and that's how to see your GoPro order history. As a quick tip, if you plan to check orders often, it can be easier to keep them organized through your account rather than using guest tracking each time.